Do you want to create a landing page to grow your email list? In this video, I'm going to show you exactly how to do it without having to use multiple services. So let's do it. Hello, and welcome to Leslie Samuel TV, where I help bloggers master the tech they need to create awesome content. If you haven't already, make sure to hit subscribe and tap that bell icon to be notified whenever I have something new for you. All right, let's talk about landing pages. Now, my definition of a landing page is pretty simple. A page that you land on. Okay, that's my basic definition. But basically, someone clicks on a link somewhere on the internet, whether that's on social media, whether it's on another blog or website, or, however, they just land on that page. That is a landing page for that session. Now, when we talk about landing pages in online marketing, we're usually referring to a specific type of landing page that has the purpose of getting people to take a specific kind of action. Now, this can be, getting people to sign up to your email list or even buy something. Now, we're going to focus on the first one in this video. Here's the thing. Yes, you can just add a page to your blog. You can slap an opt-in form on there and be done with it. You technically have a landing page. But here's the problem. In most cases, it's not focused on one specific kind of action. On most blog pages, you have a navigation menu at the top. You have a bunch of links and stuff in the sidebar and a whole bunch of other distractions. That's not what we want. We want it simple, focused, and optimized. So let me show you how to make this happen. Now, the tool that I'm going to be using in this video is actually the sponsor of this video, GetResponse, which is the email marketing service that I recommend if you're trying to get your email list going. Now, they have a new auto funnel feature, and you'll see why this is a great way to start and grow an email list. And you get some great landing page templates to use. You can get a 10% discount for life by going to becomeablogger.com/GetResponse. All right. Let's make this happen. So I'm in my GetResponse account right now, and I want to point out that you have a few different options for creating landing pages. You can actually come right here in this quick action section and just click on create landing page, or you can come up here to the menu and go to landing pages. And once you're there, you'll see all of the landing pages that I've already created, and you can click this button here, create landing page, to create a new one. But this is not how I'm going to show you how to do it in this video. Why? Because there's a better way, especially if you're a smart marketer. So instead, I'm going to come right back up here to the menu, and I'm going to click on auto funnel. Now, the reason I'm going to use this auto funnel feature is because it's going to give me a very easy and a visual way to map out my subscriber journey. You'll see exactly what I'm talking about in a second. So I'll click on this create funnel button, and then I'll give my auto funnel a name. For this demo, I'm going to create a simple funnel, and I'm going to call it the demo ebook funnel. And then I'm going to come here to build a list, because I'm not using this funnel to sell a product or promote a webinar. So I'm going to click on create a funnel. And right here, you see my auto funnel. And as you can see, it's a very simple funnel. It allows me to create a sign up page. In fact, I can create multiple sign up pages and emails here, you can see. And for now, since we are talking about creating a landing page, I'll click on create a sign up page. Alrighty, this will take me here where I can choose from a number of templates, and they have a good variety of templates here. But there's one here that's a little special to me because I wrote the copy for it. In fact, there are two versions available. If you look here, you are gonna see right here, there's a blogging success one. This is a funnel that I created personally that starts with selling a blogging ebook and ends with the ability to buy a blogging course. Now, if you ever want to see what I'd write in that situation, or if you maybe have a blogging ebook that you want to give away that leads to the sale of your blogging course, you can check this out. Now, if you're in some other niche, but you still want to use a copy that's similar to what I'd use, let's scroll right here, and here you see we have the online success course, and that's a great one that you can use. Now, I recommend you choosing a template based on, what matches the feel that you're going for. But obviously, I'm a bit biased, so I'm going to select this one right here, blogging success. Because, well, you know, it's awesome and I teach blogging. So I'll give it a name here, and in this case, I'll call it Demo Blogging Ebook and click on Next Step. Then this monster here is gonna do its work and load the template for me to customize. Now, I want to point out a few things here. The first thing is that you can easily customize just about everything by just double clicking on it. So if I double click on the title, I can change what it says. Let's say I was doing a cooking blog and giving away free recipes. I can say, for example, get my top 5 vegetarian recipes now. Now, I'm going to go ahead and undo that here really quick because I don't got no vegetarian free guide for you. But you get the point. I can also click on it if I want and drag it to the center, change the alignment by, you know, just changing the alignment. And there's so much that I can do to customize this entire thing. Now, we'll get to this pop-up placeholder in a little bit. But for now, let's scroll down here a little bit. Now, if I wanted to change this image, I can click on it, then click replace. Then I can select from an image that maybe I already uploaded. I can import from a URL or upload a new file. Or if I want to use, you know, stock photography, I can click over here on Shutterstock and search for whatever kind of image I want. So let's say I want to search for somebody using a laptop. And here you're gonna see a bunch of royalty-free stock photos that I can use without having to pay anything extra. It's a beautiful thing. Alrighty, let's close this out really quick. And once again, you can customize just about anything here as easily as just clicking on it and typing. When you come down here to the form, there's really nothing you have to do because this is all in GetResponse, so it's gonna automatically add people to your list for this funnel. Now let's scroll all the way up to the top here so that I can show you 2 more things. For the pop-up form placeholder, pop-ups generally increase conversions, but in most cases, you know, you'd use a separate plugin to add them to your landing page. When I double click on here, you're gonna see the form that you have currently, and you have the ability to edit it just like with the landing page. When you come down here, you see that you can change the background, the delay, and the effect that determines how it actually appears, and when you'd want this pop-up to show again. Basically, if somebody closes it and they come back, should they see it every time or after a certain number of days? GetResponse also has GDPR fields that you can use, and you can use this link here to find out more about how to configure that. Now, this is an exit intent pop-up, which means that people won't see it until they're getting ready to leave. I like this because it makes it less annoying for people. They don't, you know, get the pop-up while they are browsing the page. If you want to change it from an exit intent to something else, you can click here to choose another form. And you can choose from one of these types of forms, which is pretty cool. Now, I'm gonna stick with exit pop-up for now, and then I am gonna scroll down and click on save. Now, the last thing I want to show you is that you can come up here to a thank you page and customize what's on that page, just like you can customize everything else. And if you want to add something special to this page or any other sections in the landing page builder, you can always drag something from here. Let's say you wanted to add a countdown timer. You can do that right here. Select the date. Let's say it's May 15th at 5 o'clock p.m. for some reason, and then click on save. There's so much flexibility here. Now, when you're done, I highly recommend coming up here to this smartphone icon, and you can see it gives you the ability to work on a mobile version of it. You just want to make sure that your stuff looks good on all devices. And actually, let's come back to our landing page, the main one, and click on this again to do the same thing, create a mobile version, and I can make sure that's optimized, and if I need to change anything, I can do the exact same thing. Once you're satisfied with how everything looks, you can come here and click on the next step. And then you can give this page a title and a description. I'll put a simple title like Get My Free Blogging Ebook. And for description, I will put sign up below to get access to my free blogging ebook that will help you go from newbie to Blogging Pro. Now, of course, I want my page to be indexed in the search engine, so I will not click this right here. And I can customize the URL with something like demobloggingebook.gr8.com. And then in the subscription settings, I'll keep the default thank you page because that's the one that I customized. And then I can click on publish. And just like that, my landing page has been created and customized. I can now use this URL here, demobloggingebook.great.com, to share with people who would be interested in getting my ebook, whether on social media or elsewhere. And I know that when they come to this page, it'll just have one focus, getting them onto my email list. And what's great is that I can build out this funnel by adding emails right here. And this funnel will show me exactly how well everything is performing. Of course, these features are only available if you're using GetResponse, our sponsor for this video, but the good news is that you can get 10% off for life by going to becomeablogger.com/getresponse. That's pretty much it for this video. Thanks so much for watching. If you liked it, make sure to check out this video over here where I go into how to launch a digital course with a sales funnel. And of course, hit that subscribe button, tap that bell icon so that I can help you master the tech you need to create awesome content. My name is Leslie Samuel, and until next time, take care and God bless.